All right, kind of an up and down week for the markets. Ultimately, the Dow and the S&P 500 down. Buoyed by news, of course, that Pfizer is going to have a vaccine out, or hopes to, in short order. It's waiting for FDA emergency approval. And then down whenever we got spikes announced, and we do have spikes announced, not only in this country, pretty much throughout the world. Here to crunch the numbers and what we could be looking for in this back and forth, Rebecca Walser, Walser Wealth Management, David Asman, Fox Business Network fame. Welcome to you both, guys. Rebecca, it's interesting that the virus news is worrisome, the vaccine news is promising, but it's the virus spikes that have the markets disproportionately worried. Should they be?
Yes, Neil, because we know that when the virus spikes, we go into lockdown mode in a lot of places, and our economy is really too fragile. We obviously need more stimulus, not less stimulus, and the lockdown is going to exacerbate all of this. So, yeah, the market should be worried.
I'm just worried, too, as well. I mean, as these vaccines drip out, of course, and the spikes go on, already one major brokerage firm, David, has said we're going to have negative growth in the first quarter. In other words, a down quarter, that it could weigh on the economy well into the future. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so, too. I mean, the market is really priced to perfection now. I mean, we came up so much back to where we were just before the pandemic hit. And you know, they were hoping before the election that maybe Donald Trump could pull it out so they wouldn't worry about a tax increase. The hopes with regard to the vaccines have come true, though, and that's what's propelling the market even higher. Of course, there's a lot of speculation about what's going to happen in Georgia. If the Democrats take both of those Senate seats, then there's definitely going to be a tax increase that could slow growth. So I think basically what the markets did this week is what's going to be happening until those elections in Georgia.
Any hope that stimulus changes things? I talked to a senator earlier, Rebecca, said that we could see something in the lame duck session. It seems unlikely to me, but what do you think the market reaction would be?
Well, that would be obviously positive. You know, we need it so badly. I mean, so many industries are teetering, you know, and then the lockdowns are only going to exacerbate that. So we need more stimulus. I'm not a government stimulus person, but, you know, I don't want a Great Depression either. And it's looking that way, you know, and we don't even know if people are going to accept the vaccine. So we need a lot of help. We need to get this country back open as fast as possible. And until we do that, we're going to need more stimulus, and we can't afford that forever.
Can I just say the best stimulus comes from the private sector, not from government?
Good point. We'll take a quick break here.